This is it. This is the final season of Teen Wolf. Welcome to season 6A. It is not processed through my head like that we are here. I'm freaking out, oh my god, on the inside. Yeah, I just posted the season 5 finale reaction like 3 hours ago, and now I finally get to start season 6. And in case you didn't know, in September, I'm going to be gone for like 3 weeks, so I'm pre-filming a lot now. So I'm going to be filming 2 Teen Wolf videos today, this one and the next one. So that's 6 hours of Teen Wolf, and also I'm going to be like over halfway finished with 6A today. It's insanity. Let's see, let's try to remember where we left off. So Mason needs therapy. Honestly, all of them do. Kira, she's gone. She left with the Skinwalkers, but before she left, she sent Theo to hell, so who knows when we'll see him next. I don't really know. Derek. Derek's coming back this season. Oh my god, I'm so excited. With this season, as of like the plot, I don't really know what to expect. So the antagonists are the Ghost Riders. And like eventually Gerard. I mean, he's always an antagonist. But like Ghost Riders are the main thing that I know of, at least. Or maybe just for 6A, I don't know. What they do and what they look like, I don't really know. Yeah, I do know about the ships. So, Stydia, which we were all waiting for, let's be honest. Melissa and Chris, which is unexpected, but who knows, maybe as I watch the season it'll make sense. I think we were all just expecting Melissa and Noah though, let's be honest. And then Theum, which is canon, and don't tell me otherwise. Okay. I got the Leahy hoodie on. Yep. Gone and somewhere in France, but never forgotten. Alright, I'm just gonna read the title, description, and then just start the episode. I'm gonna cry. No way. No way. Okay. So today is August 27th, and March 27th is when I started Teen Wolf. So that was 5 months ago. 5 months ago I started the show, and now I'm on season 6. That's crazy. I need to like post about that on the community tab. Alright, so season 6 episode 1 is called Memory Lost, with graduation approaching. Oh, they're growing up. A supernatural force rides into Beacon Hills and crosses paths with Scott and his friends, while Liam discovers evidence of a new enemy in the high school. A new enemy in the high school? Huh. Alright. Dude, I'm so excited. Okay, camera rolling, this going. Nothing can go wrong. If I just jinxed it right there. So without further ado, let's start season 6 of Teen Wolf. The final season. I mean, Teen Wolf, unless you want to make season 7, you know, wouldn't be opposed. Alright, okay, I got a little scared. I was like, why is it not loading? Also, Dylan turned 30 yesterday.
Called him there so that he was nasty and an alpha werewolf.
Wait, was that the recap? Alright, not gonna show like the footsteps at the end. Did those footsteps belong to their soldette, who Theo was talking about? Are these the Ghost Riders? That sound like hoofs clicking, right?
It was new to someone about 20 years ago.
I'll wear my Dunbar hoodie next video. So in a couple hours.
So Jack, worst day ever.
Oh well, seems like it's not meant to be.
Double date?
What about New Year's?
Christmas with your parents?
What is this time jump? I'm gonna know what the time is between last season and this. Season 5 began with the start of senior year. Season 6 began with the final semester of senior year. There's no confirmed timeline for season 5. We can guess it takes place over a few weeks, since that's average for a normal story arc. We also didn't see Halloween or any other holiday to mark the passage of time, but let's call season 5 fall. Whoa. Is that the Northern Lights?
Maybe they've got us there.
Mm. Is someone dead in there? Or just no one in there? Yo, kid. Why do you look so familiar? Sorry, I gotta look up Rio Menji. Oh, he looks so familiar. Ah, Bella and the Bulldogs. Okay. Oh yeah, he was the, yeah. Yeah, got it. It's kind of going like straight into this. This is interesting.
Trying to gently persuade him to pull over. Critical life-saving medical equipment. No poison gas. Nope. No with drugs. Alien. Speaking else is gonna have to survive without us. Speaking else will leave the ground without us.
That's so true. Oh, speaking of ships, I also know Jackson and Ethan.
I also need you to know that it's probably gonna hurt.
Claws in the neck?
Here.
Oh. You can't. Holy crap. Shit.
I don't know. That's all I remember, but I got this feeling.
Wait, he doesn't remember?
You're coming back.
Oh. Yes, new intro. Oh, main character, let's go. Chris? Yes. That was beautiful. I'm so glad that the Guardians are main character now. I'm sorry, it hasn't even been 10 minutes? Wow. Alright, so the episode is called Memory Lost, and I know like in the season, like the ghost riders can make people like forget things. So I guess that's kind of what happened. Like Scott saw the full memory, but when he like went back to reality, he only like remembered who did it, not the actual events. Or maybe he just saw the Ghost Rider and it was just us seeing the whole thing, but I don't think so. Oh wow, this is already so crazy. I'm excited.
What?
This is a perfect shape for me.
Lydia! Oh, hi baby. And she has her long hair.
And if it's something supernatural, my dad can't help it.
Sounds like you want it to be supernatural.
Oh, Tyler's producing
It's like
this.
3 months since anything's happened.
Nice.
Yeah, and once a week you drag me out of...
I didn't have to look up the timeline. It's been 3 months since anything happened. So season 5 started first day of senior year. So that would be like September, let's say, for most people. And then where we're at now, the post I saw said season 6 starts at the beginning of the last semester. So that would be like 4 months apart. So would that mean all of the events happened in 1 month of season 5? I mean, yeah, that's possible, but I doubt it. I'd say, okay, graduation's usually in June, so between January and June this is taking place. I would say it's at least like February, March when this is happening. The hair flip?
Something wrong with it. It's broken.
No.
Magic bullet. My bad. Sorry. Go ahead. Look pretty.
Look pretty. Styles. Just wait like 10 seconds.
Maybe you're sublimating the stress of graduating by avoiding key milestones.
Okay, Scott.
Cycling. Come on, missing parents, suspicious guy on horseback, magic bullet. Who's coming with?
Me.
I gotta retake. Forget it. I'll take Liam.
Yeah. Okay. That cat's like staring into my soul.
Yes. Hey,
It illustrates the concept of quantum superposition. Light is both a particle and wave until it's observed.
yes. Excellent.
How am I in high school?
Does observing something change its
I don't know any of this.
That's on north. That is. It's doing it too.
That's weird. That has to do with ghostwriters, obviously. Really? In front of people, Corey?
We won't find out until we open the box.
The assignment.
Schrodinger's cat?
I still don't get it.
Me. I miss them together.
Neither one of you are going anywhere.
Kid.
Clark. Where's Kid?
Please let me stay. Please.
Post a guard outside the door.
Oh my god. Wasn't the teacher just in there like a second ago? Dude, that was insane. What was that?
You want to split up?
No?
Absolutely not.
Have you never seen a horror movie, Scott? Rewatch last season.
Maybe Alex got the address wrong.
No.
Or he lied. He didn't lie.
What? Oh. It's a distraction, so they split up and the ghostwriters get styles. What the... Oh my god. Get out of there. I don't care if it's not there anymore. Get out of there. Oh, hi guys.
What are you doing here?
What are you doing
Alex's
here?
house. What are you doing here? This is the compass. Let us. What compass?
No. No, he's about to get taken. Excuse you. They don't hear that? Oh no.
No, they weren't just taking them.
They were
They were
erased.
made to disappear. That's why there's no furniture. That's why they weren't in any of the photos. They were erased.
Alex.
The ghostwriters. The wild hunt. They come by storm, riding horses, and they take people.
You're so smart. I could kiss you right now.
Do not kiss me.
Not gonna. Anyway.
I saw somewhere that was improvised. Perfect.
Perfect. Looks brand new.
Yeah.
What's gonna happen when Scott graduates? When there's no one here to figure things out?
I
Liam.
can be the alpha.
I can be.
He can be the alpha.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hey, that's my jersey. Where'd you get that? Coach gave it to me at practice. Me at practice? Why doesn't anyone tell me anything?
Alex.
Does that mean Alex is next?
Yes. Y'all are so late.
God. That kind of help. Something terrible is going to happen.
If it's in the air, it could be coming out of the vents.
Smart. But also gross. Oh no. Don't take the kid. I knew it.
It's open.
Yeah. I figured. Why does that sound so familiar? It might not even be from the show. It's just like that sound. Say something. Yell for help. Where's the guard? Where's the guard?
His parents went missing last night?
She forgot.
Who's Alex?
Oh. How come you guys remember though? I feel like you'd forget soon.
You already know who's next. Liam and Hayden. When we're sitting at home. Tell me later.
No. No, 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 no. Dude, he's about to get kidnapped or something.
Sorry.
Those who see the wild hunt, beware, for you are already lost.
Styles saw it.
You two have to listen to me right
No.
now. Alex is gone just like his parents. What the hell are you looking at?
They don't remember him? I've seen this clip before.
Son, you okay?
I think he said that
Getting every
as more of a general son.
Let's figure this out together.
No, he doesn't remember. He doesn't remember.
Why don't you tell me?
Oh my Scott's not gonna remember either.
Scott? Hey. Scott. Where are you? Where are you right now? Who is this?
He saw me. He saw the wild hunt. Where's Styles?
She doesn't remember who he is.
Styles.
Shh.
I'm next.
Styles. You don't deserve this.
You know me. Oh, thank God you know me.
I know you.
Okay, this way, this way.
Oh no. Come on, Styles. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Dude, my camera's about to die. I can't have my camera dying right now. I'm so glad I saw my camera was about to die because if it stopped recording in the last 3 minutes, I would have been so upset. I think he's about to be taken right now. Styles.
You forget me.
I won't. I won't. I won't.
You will. Right. You're supposed to make you dance. You saved my life.
You saved my life too.
I love you.
So if no one remembers Styles, are like Scott and Liam werewolves? Because it's a whole chain of events that wouldn't have happened if Styles didn't take Scott out to find the dead body in episode 1.
Do what?
I can't remember.
I can't remember.
It's the end. It's the end. Holy crap. Sorry. Give me a second. Give me 1 second. Alright. Teen Wolf said no BS. Episode 1, season 6. This is the final season. We got started off with a banger. Oh my god. I feel like normally for a show it would take like half the season to get to this point. Introducing the villains, the antagonist of the season. One of the main characters getting kidnapped. Dude, this is happening. First episode. And no one remembers Styles. Now that I think about it, I do remember seeing a lot more scenes about this season than I thought I had. Because I'm pretty sure Lydia says, like, to the love confession, I never got to say it back, or something like that at some point. Alright, I'll see you guys soon with episode 2. I need some water. So, I'm still recovering. 15 minutes later, I'm in the same state of mind. Wow. That was a lot for a premiere episode. I wonder how long he's gonna be gone for. Yeah, so season 6, episode 2 is called Superposition. While Scott, Lydia, and Malia search for lost memories of a missing friend, Corey discovers a connection between his abilities and the wild hunt? Oh, that's interesting. It's funny because you have to remember something you lost, but how do you remember if you lost it? Luckily, Lydia remembers that she forgot something. Will Scott be able to like get into her mind and would the memories just be gone or just like hidden very deeply? I don't know. Also, I have no idea how they're gonna stop the Ghost Riders because, you know, the drug doctors, they were so OP, but the way they died was just so ironic. But with the Ghost Riders, most of the time, like when you see them, they're coming for you and only some people can see them. And I just don't know how they're going to be stopped. Alright, but without further ado, let's watch episode 2 of season 6 of Teen Wolf. I'm not okay. Dude, I'm gonna cry again. Please tell me we get to see some Styles this episode, though. Like, what's happening with him while he's erased? Like, is he, like, just sent somewhere, or what? Oh, wow, there's a lot of them. Alright, let's count. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3... Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I count 27. So that's a lot. Don't do a close-up on their face or their mask. I hope that's a mask.
You gotta work on your back shots. Why? Liam, they suck.
And you were saying, Scott? What?
How come you're here?
Are you making slime?
4 point something? 4.9.
What?
I didn't even know what that.
Me neither.
You're doing this for me? Are you mad? Furious?
Oh, careful.
What the hell are you guys doing?
Coach.
Teenage years are not the time for academic achievement. Yes, they are. That's a lie sold to you by the government. Go find some girls.
We're gay.
Better. Now get out of my face. I don't get paid
Go
to walk
gays.
up after you.
I missed you, Coach. No. Mm-mm. Please run. What? What? I was gonna say, you'd think it would go both ways with the vision. Do we really care about this guy? Wow. Are they just gonna snap his neck? I'm gonna watch this whole intro every time. I don't think we've seen that yet, so it must be... I guess with the horses, it would go with the Ghost Rider theme. That's great.
Something's happening to Mason.
The way he can just sense it. I love them.
You brought him into this? He was trying to protect me.
Hi, Ross Butler. Come on, she always has to be the big spoon. Is she gonna get like flashes? The train. Remember last video I said I found an edit for season 6 on my For You page and I saved it so I could go back to it. Based on like the thumbnail, the first frame, it looked like it was like a train station, like the list of different locations. That's interesting.
Must have been a bad dream.
Yeah, I don't think she knows.
But I was asleep.
Oh. Someone's missing from there. Is it the group picture they took last episode? Yeah, it is. Is that Styles' locker?
How it's done. That
Is that Ross?
material. You're late, which makes you not Captain Material.
He is Captain Material.
Yeah, tear him apart, Liam. Ooh. Oh.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Coach, don't do this to him. Shh. Shh.
I just had a feeling. About what?
Shh.
What if you have some kind of special ability no one knows about? What if you weren't holding something?
They were holding someone.
With someone. Somebody's gotta step up and fill in the gap. It should be you.
Yeah.
That's exactly the intensity this team needs. I'm looking forward to crushing that little adorable baby face.
Style. Styles. Red is for what I don't understand. Oh, I love her jacket. Lydia has the best style. Styles. Oh. Leah. The locker? Who are you? Wow.
Werewolf stuff.
Oh, so she does know.
I had to convince 23 students that what they saw in the library last semester with a large bear and the fangs on Scott McCall were the result of acute teenage hallucination syndrome.
I was wondering how they don't remember.
Nobody has reported a student just like
That's the problem. Oh, her hair just changed. Back to the night. Oh, stop. Oh my god. Jordan! I was wondering when you were gonna come back.
It's just a straightforward robbery homicide.
Or is it?
He was bludgeoned to death and stuffed in a high school air duct.
Scott, you look really suspicious. Just like break the lock and open it.
What you doing?
Ew. You scared me.
No, I'm not breaking into someone else's locker. What does it look like to you?
And I'm breaking into someone else's locker. He's shady. I don't trust him. Garrett? Why do we need another person on the show named Garrett?
What do you know?
Logic. Corey has a hunch.
Was that a chameleon thing? I thought all they could do was disappear.
Liam, why are you doing that?
Look, it's not like chameleons are the apex predator in the animal kingdom. All Corey can do is disappear.
Maybe that's what he should do.
Liam. No. Bad Liam. He needs his mother here.
I already told you. Your friends aren't my friends. Why can't you just accept that?
Dayton.
This in timeline.
But why were you
Why I
there?
was there.
It's almost like you have a form of phantom limb syndrome.
So my subconscious is trying to tell me what's missing.
Maybe.
Simply go to sleep.
The forest. Yeah, do you remember how you turned into a wolf? Try to think about that. Where is she? Oh. Does she not? Yeah, she has a bed.
This is an after-school club. Can you help me out?
I've got a problem. You weren't down here with me. Scott wasn't down here with me.
Right. Oh,
Someone was. Scott?
Scott. I wish I could help you, but I didn't know any better.
I was still a coyote, so I might have tried to eat it.
I live 5 miles away from here. How did I get here?
You drove.
I didn't have a car.
Roscoe?
Ran.
Couldn't have. I had asthma. Why would the sheriff even think that I would be out here? Because like most deaths in this town, it was related to the supernatural.
But it was before.
It wasn't supernatural. I mean, this was the night that I was bitten. I wasn't a werewolf yet. And I was not here alone.
Corey. You know what's funny? So a few months ago, I was somewhere and I was watching TV, live TV, and Teen Wolf was on. And at this point, I had only watched 4 seasons, and I saw like this for just like a few seconds. I don't remember anything. I just remember like it was Liam and Corey. Yeah, but I was so upset because I wanted to watch like Teen Wolf on the TV, but this was, you know, either season 5 or 6, I thought back then. Yeah, so now I can finally watch it.
I thought we could hate each other and it wouldn't matter. It does matter. It matters to Mason. It matters to both of us. We could work together. Maybe we could find something together.
Yeah.
But I think I had a best friend.
Whoever it is, I think I love him.
What if we're all missing the same person?
You want to do this? Hold my hand.
I swear on Parrish.
Oh, and your wife's waiting for you in your office.
Wife?
Wife.
I thought I'd surprise you.
By being alive. No, it's a mind game. It's a mind game. It's a trick. It's Claudia, right? Library card belonging to the guy.
What is quinoa?
Quinoa.
It's quinoa. Quinoa and kale.
That sounds, yummy.
It's Schrodinger's cat. The quantum state of superposition.
Nice. Couldn't just walk around, Liam.
We have Spanish together.
Whoa.
They erased.
What are you watching, Coach?
It's too late. I said end of the day.
It's still day.
School day.
Hey, what changed your mind?
I held the guy's hand.
I got it.
Is she left-handed? Did I know that? That's so random.
The legend has always been that the wild hunt takes people. When mortality is right, the truth is much worse.
They're erasing them.
They erase people from reality.
How did we remember somebody who's been completely erased from our minds?
Okay.
Maybe he hasn't been.
Did she write Styles? Mischief.
It's not what she wrote.
Styles! Are you okay?
What the hell is this Styles?
Not her we're quoting season 1. Oh my god. Oh, that's Gwen. Okay, wow, that was a good episode. I'm glad they were able to remember Styles and it wouldn't like last a whole long time. But when are we getting him back? Hopefully soon. Good thing I'm watching 4 more episodes today, but only 1 more for this video. So I will be back in a little bit to watch episode 3, excuse me, of season, excuse me. I'm gonna restart that. I will be back in a few minutes to watch season 6, episode 3 of Teen Wolf. I can't believe I'm already a fifth of the way done with 6A. I have 18 episodes of the show left. Okay, see you soon. Alright, now it's time for the last episode of this video. Not the last episode of the day, however, because after this episode, I get to watch 3 more, which will be in the next video, so stay tuned for next Tuesday. Not Fridays anymore. There's a reason why I moved it to Tuesdays, and you will find out in the finale episode. I'll make you wait for the reasoning, because it is there is a reason. Multiple. It's not really a big deal. Anyways, I just ate some snacks to kind of get my mind off of this and try to think about it. It didn't work. But episode 3 is called Sundowning. While Scott, Lydia, and Malia search for Styles. How the hell are they gonna do that? No clue. Liam and others throw a party to keep a friend safe from the Ghost Riders. Oh yeah, to keep a friend safe, not just throwing a party. No. So Liam and others, I assume Liam, Hayden, Mason, Corey, Gwen, because I know that's who that is. Alright, I can't wait to watch 4, 5, 6 after this. Literally this weekend, I'm gonna have to go to Best Buy to get more SD cards, because this, filming this and then the next Teen Wolf video is gonna take up most of the SD card storage, and then I have SD cards reserved for different things. This one is Supernatural, this one is The Vampire Diaries, and these 2 are All American. While I was filming All American, I had to use this one as a secondary because I ran out of storage because I was filming 3 episodes in that one. This one has my reaction for X-Men 3, which I never posted, but I filmed it 5 months ago, around the same time I started Teen Wolf. And this one is my Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. finale reaction, which, again, I filmed like 5 months ago. And then this one is for my short film that I filmed a week ago. Yeah. I'm really stalling right now, but I'm glad, like with these seasons, like with the 2-parters, like A and B, they get to the point. They're like, okay, so here's what we're dealing with. Let's just not have any filler episodes. We're just gonna go straight into it. Style is taking first episode, and then second episode at the end, they figure out that there's a best friend that's missing from their memories, and that his name is Styles. Okay, I'm just so excited. Let's do it. Episode 3, Sundowning. I'm still a little congested. It's been like almost 2 weeks. Somehow.
Power.
I don't trust this guy.
To control things. This metal?
He's shown up too much. Dude? No. That's who that is. Shut up. He's the soldier. He's their soldier.
Just a little cough.
Yeah, just a little cop. Okay.
Greater the power, greater the control.
No. Are you stupid? After that, why would you choose to be a high school teacher? Dude, we need Theo back. Come on, this has to relate to the Dread Doctors, sort of. So we need Theo back. Why are you still doing this? You're making it worse. Are you dumb? I regret eating now. Ah, okay, bye. Oh, he's the one who took the helium. Alright, we don't need to see this. It's like a shapeshifter. Oh right, he was an alpha. And a Nazi. So I feel like he's gonna have to go. Melissa, we still haven't seen Melissa or Chris this season. Also, I wonder when Tyler's gonna show up. Hecklin.
What's wrong, Gwen? Someone stole all of her stuff. Whose stuff? Phoebe? My sister? She's been on your team for 2 years? I
Oh,
don't remember her.
that's a lot of pencils there, sweetie. Oh, what is that?
Maybe try some positive self-talk. A positive I don't want to be here. Remember, school is a safe space.
No, it's not. Aww. I like we're seeing more Coyote Malia. She's so cute. Aww. Wait, does Noah know about the supernatural? He probably does. No.
You should growl back.
Yeah. She's so cute.
It's alright, I'm okay.
Hard to tell since we don't know what a styles is.
It's a he. Who? Styles. It's a family nickname. The engineer. What's this got to do with the wild?
How does Claudia know about it?
He lives in a nursing home 3 towns over.
What the hell?
Haven't had a visitor in years.
Oh, it's her. Okay.
The following stops have been canceled.
The train.
The following stops have been canceled.
We've never actually seen inside the Stelinsky household besides Styles' room. I guess we also saw a little bit of like the dining room.
Wait.
Scott, you have your answer.
Sheriff, please.
Scott.
We don't know you, Claudia. Is that Melissa? Yay! Finally, we've seen Melissa this season. I feel like it's Liam, or Chris, or Malia. One of the 3. Chris!
I believe you. No, you don't.
Shut up.
He's called a ghostwriter.
Okay, you're just telling her everything.
You don't even know it because they've erased your memories.
You're
You're
next.
next.
She doesn't believe her. Okay.
Those are teeth marks.
A werewolf.
Werewolf with an unusually powerful set of jaws.
Garrett.
Still said no, didn't he?
Yeah.
But we're going anyway?
Or you can stay here and help me convince Gwen she's in danger.
Mm,
Do not kidnap her.
kidnap her. Yeah.
Can't believe we're about to break into a nursing home.
After the orderlies at Eichen House, I'm sure we can handle some nurses.
Yeah, so what do you remember about Eichen? Like Lydia, do you remember who saved you? How you got out of there? I feel like he's not gonna be very cooperative.
We're looking for somebody who might be named Styles. You went by that name in the army, right?
Yes. Best years of my life.
Best years? This is the closest I'll ever get to going to a high school party.
Blind.
I was gonna say, how are they gonna make the barrier, but Mason's not supernatural.
Over there, talking to everyone but me. And someday, we will do a whole lot better than okay.
Or not. Someone's jealous.
He's Sundowning. Twin dimension patients lose their faculties after the sun goes down.
I can calm him down.
No! Elias, look at the equations. And that means n minus k is...
Number of trials minus the number of successes.
Elias,
That's Mr. Stelinsky.
Oh.
Is that who the hell do you think you are?
If I can fight the clean.
Oh.
No one doubts you. Not Liam. Not Aiden.
Not me.
And not me.
Oh no. No, don't turn up the volume. No, that was the Ghost Riders. No, the storm. That was the Ghost Riders.
My brain's getting smaller with the skirts.
Okay.
Enough!
Oh.
I explicitly told you not to come.
Go crawling back to your dead wife and your loser son!
What did you just say?
What did you say? Time for my notice.
Do you think Hayden is gonna like show off her claws and be like, look, the supernatural is real? Why are you just sitting in someone's bed? This isn't your house, that's Scott's bed. Don't go in his room. Invasion of privacy much. Shh. Oh. Shh. They're all drunk. Just do whatever you want, Liam. Corey. Corey, you gotta do this on your own. Oh, shh. Oh. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. But now everyone can see him. Maybe it's gonna leave because it sees that everyone sees him. Can it just like go through it?
Something was taken from Denise. Pineal gland.
Oh, what?
Pineal gland. There's one way to know for sure.
Oh. Come on, guys. Liam! Guys, get out of there. Get Gwen out of there.
Right now.
Thank you, Mason. There's gonna be others.
Go back inside.
Oh, yeah. Oh!
The corner
Okay.
below the Mazara's cerebral
Ew.
hemisphere.
The pineal gland?
Mazara's pineal gland is missing.
I don't even know what that is. Oh, Jordan. That's not gonna work. No, just Hellhound up. Come on. Hellhound versus Ghost Rider, I wanna see that. Shoot him in the face. It's not gonna do anything, but why not? Right in the eye hole. Or it's gone. What? Alright then.
It doesn't look bad, Scott.
Ghost Riders? It just started storming, are you kidding? Don't tell me it's gonna storm all night when I have to film a whole other Teen Wolf video.
I didn't beat him up. I could have, but I chose not to.
Yep, progress.
She said to find a safe place. So we brought the party here. Doesn't the book say that if you see the wild hunt, you'll be taken to?
Everyone's saw. Yeah. Everyone's a target. It's so nice that they're close, even though Styles isn't in their minds right now. Why is it raining so loudly?
This minute ends here. You pushed me through last tape. I'm going after my mom.
Have you ever had a dream? It's so
Dude, the power just went out. Lovely timing. Alright. Okay. Light, can you stop flickering? Just turn on when you're ready. Hello. If this will let me play, we're just gonna watch the last few minutes. Sorry.
in this dream. We have a son. I want to name him after her father. She laughs at me and she says, "Why would you want to saddle some poor kid with a name like that?"
You know what? Another thing I can use is lighting over here. I'm so sorry. I literally have 3 more hours of filming after this, so hopefully the power comes back on. Alright. Okay. Yeah, that was bright. Right in my eyes. Alright, you know what? The shadowing is weird, but we will make do. Do we need this? Yes, we do. Otherwise, I look crazy. Oh, didn't mean to push it. There we go.
Guess we call it styles anyway.
It's the size of
Okay. Perfect.
Is biting open heads to what? Steal souls?
Ghost Riders?
The real question is,
dramatic zoom in. Stop. Oh, you're a janitor. I'm guessing that's Garrett's classroom and he's gonna kill you. Yeah. No. I just had peas today in my pot pie. That is disgusting. All right. All right, I'm guessing that's the end. We have 45 seconds, so we'll leave it at that. I can't believe the power went out. That is so annoying. That was a good episode though, and this season is it's very interesting, like the Ghost Riders and everything. This thunder is trying to steal my thunder. Yeah, so we got a new character introduced, Gwen. I'm guessing since she survived, she'll be sticking around, maybe for the rest of 6A, who knows. They were trying to remember who Stiles was to them, and then Noah's dad said something about a son. I'm not gonna say it how he did because it's not true, and he sucks. And yeah, he could probably be on Gerard level. That's not a level you want to be on. Yeah, no, this is an amazing start to the season. Yeah, okay. I can't believe I'm like almost a third of the way done with 6A already. I'm so looking forward to it though. Once the storm resides, I'm going to film the next 3 episodes for the next video, 4, 5, and 6. So stay tuned for that next Tuesday. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Can't believe the power went out. I'm surprised it's not back right now because usually when we lose power, it goes on pretty quickly. Yeah, but I will see you guys with the next video. I post Supernatural on Sundays, Teen Wolf on Tuesdays, TVDU videos on Thursdays, and yeah, okay, bye!